Show everybody how you're acting, Jules.
No.
Jules is throwing a fit because she wanted us to wear her tutu. And Mommy said she could wear a tutu, but she's wanting to take that dress off and put it on. And since we're outside, I don't want to do that. So now Miss Jules is throwing a fit.
Jules need to watch out.
Jules does need to watch out.
Watch out.
You need to pedal, Josh. Yes. Everybody's going to see you throwing a fit. That might be locked, buddy.
I want the key. I want the key. I want the key.
You throwing a fit in here too?
No, get away from me.
No. 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 It's locked, baby. Here you go, buddy. What are you doing in there? Are you throwing a fit in there? Are you throwing a fit in there too? You want to put your tutu on now?